All right, so we start where we usually start, trending topics. So the first thing up for us this morning, the report on the Riverton Solid Waste Disposal Site Fire, which started on July 29, is now available to the public. You can access it online at nepa.gov.jm. So that's nepa.gov.jm.
Now, how much people you really think are go look on that?
And it's not even that, how many people understand what is it?
Exactly. When them do that, why them don't just come out and say, all right, this is the story, this is what happened, blah, 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 blah. You're going to put that on a report. Who's going to access it? Second, who's going to understand it? And then three, how's that going to change anything?
Yeah, because what people really want to know, especially the man on the street, is how it's not going to happen again. Yeah, how it starts.
How you did fix it,
how much
and
money
why
you
it
fix
not
it,
happen again.
and why it won't happen again. That's all we need to know. But a lot of times people tend to overcomplicate the simple things.
Yeah, man. Easily them complicate things that are unnecessary.
Last night I was reading a book, Land of My Birth. And
you were reading a book?
Oh, no.
A joke. I know you're a reader.
Yeah. I mean, especially last night when I took the Friday to just relax. And I was reading a book and I saw some words in it and I was like,
what is? You know, it's much easier. That's why I now have a Kindle, right? It was probably one of the best gifts that my boyfriend gave me. I had a Kindle before, but this one, when you press on it, you can automatically access a dictionary and thesaurus and stuff. So I'm all for that.
Yeah, man,
so you should try that.
The first.
That way you get to understand.
I think it's the first chapter. The first page.
Yeah.
It's like 6 words I
You
had
don't know.
before.
Poor thing. How old must it go? I'm joking. I am joking. It was a joke. Next up on trending topics. As the U.S. East Coast is now being battered by Hurricane Florence, an even stronger super typhoon is barreling down on Southeast Asia, with Hong Kong and Macau Square in its path. Super typhoon Mangkhut is currently equivalent to a Category 5 Atlantic hurricane, with winds of at least 252 kilometers per hour, stronger than Florence, which is already causing massive flooding and devastation in the Carolinas. Now, I've been watching lots of CNN and MSNBC, and they've been like, on the storm, but you know, right? Them only are giving this side of the world news, and it's always like that.
Yeah.
So this is out there battering, killing our people in Asia. Nobody knew about it until like recently.
Yeah, but usually on that side of the world, they're powerful storms.
Well,
we don't
this
see
storm here,
we
a
don't see
Category 5. Right now, you know that Florence is a tropical storm. It's not. It's no longer a hurricane because it's now downgraded because it batter and rain out some of it. It's the worst.
We have a video of the typhoon.
We do. We have a video.
Or something close to a video.
Let's see it.
Because I've seen tornadoes. I've experienced tornadoes.
You have experienced tornadoes?
Yeah, man.
Like you have to lock up in a bathtub
I've
and something?
seen a tornado go through my town when I was in college.
Seriously?
Yeah, man. April 27.
I don't think I would ever want to see that.
We'll never forget it. Yeah, man. It's disastrous. So I've experienced a tornado, hurricane, never a typhoon. So I think hopefully one day I get to go to Asia to live.
So experience that. Are you insane? Don't make laugh out of it. It's not funny, man. The people over there suffer.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not making joke of the situation,
terrible.
but yeah, it's tough, but natural disasters.
I don't think I want to go over there and have to go through tsunami and typhoon and all of them. Something that's insane.
Waves this high.
No, thank you. Pray for all of our brothers and sisters on that side of the world, and of course our brothers and sisters in the Carolinas who are going through it now.
I used to be a storm chaser, you know. I go in the planes.
You're mad?
No, but it just to get excited.
Look at her. I'm sure your mother don't know that.
No, she doesn't. She has no idea.
What's up next?
Hurricane Florence has turned towns to rivers. At least 5 people, including a mother and an infant, have died in North Carolina as Tropical Storm Florence slowly moves from the Tar Heel state of South Carolina after coming ashore in North Carolina as a Category 1 hurricane. Florence was downgraded to a tropical storm just yesterday afternoon and trudged into South Carolina as night fell. So
I was watching some footage and people came from states further up with boats and started helping to evacuate people who chose to stay.
But you know what? Why have a problem with this now? Because you're having first responders who have families as well.
I forgot.
You get the warnings to leave and you don't leave. First responders have families. The soldiers, the doctors, they have families to attend to. What if they come and save you and lose their lives? Their family loses someone they love.
Yeah.
If you get a warning to leave, just leave.
I was thinking the same way too, and then I was told that not everybody can afford to leave.
In America, getting in a vehicle.
Marvin, hold on,
No, in America.
I get vexed.
No, but
it's not just about that. Suppose you don't have the gas in your vehicle.
What do you mean they're guessing?
What do you mean? Enough
They-
time
they-
I'm
they-
not
they-
guessing
they-
my
but they
beater.
send-
You
they
have
send
guessed
things
your
to
car all
evacuate you.
time.
Sakina, they
Yes,
send things to
they
evacuate
do.
you.
Hey,
I don't
I'm
want-
just playing devil's
but
advocate
it's
here.
no, it's not a devil
I'm
advocate
saying,
thing, you know.
suppose you don't get one of them bus there. and
They
you don't
are
have
there.
gas in
No,
your
no, no,
car.
no, no, Sakina.
They stop them after a while, you know.
Sakina,
You know that, right?
exactly. So
Right,
go
and
when
I'm
they come.
saying
So
that
go
if
when
you
they
don't
come.
fit on one of those,
No.
and then stop them at a certain time, and you're not on gas, or you come
Let me tell you one thing about the United States of America. They will ensure that everyone has the possibility of getting out.
I don't know about that, because I don't live in the United States of America, so
Okay.
I don't know how
I've lived
sure
there.
it is.
I've lived
that they're
there. I've lived there, and when I said we go through the tornado, them come and them try to make sure that everybody get out.
So what you did there in the house and the tornado still for?
Yeah, because it wasn't a major tornado.
Oh, so you chose to stay, and of course
Because
the
the school said it's okay to stay. The school said it was okay to
when
stay.
you
I
live
was
up your
staying.
house, you don't know
No, man.
narrative Wizard of Oz.
I mean,
You
watch
say,
it.
I want to go home.
I mean,
I
watch
want
it
to
go
go
so.
home. I want to
Go through the town. That was, actually that came to my mind.
All right, and on that note, let's see what's happening on our side. Isaac has been upgraded to a tropical storm. He can't decide whether to do some minutes in a hurricane, then in downgrade to tropical storm, then downgrade to tropical wave. Now he's back to a storm. After plowing through the Lesser Antilles with flooding, rain, and gusty winds, and of course, we're hearing now will threaten the Western Caribbean by next week, starting tomorrow. Now,
Oh, the week starts.
yeah, well, we don't know how that go, but I let them write, so I read it. But as far as I know, we're going to get in a little something tomorrow, but it's by Sunday we're supposed to have any big thing.
But tomorrow Sunday.
Oh, tomorrow Sunday? Forgive me, I'm all a mush. But yeah, they said that we're supposed to have a little something tomorrow, and Monday, I hear that the meteorological office say that we are on tropical storm watch, the whole island, Sunday and Monday. So guys, my mother said she heard two ladies at the bus stop this morning arguing about the one said she not bother buy up nothing because she tired for buy up things and nothing happen. And the other one said the same thing that happened to Nana Gilbert. Wanna listen to my mommy. Go to the supermarket, buy up some stuffs,
Gilbert.
put them into your house, full up on a jump with weather, because guess what? You never know what can happen.
You got 30 years since Gilbert?
30 years.
I wasn't around them time.
I was 3 plus, almost 4.
3, because 4.
Yeah. Guess what? We've got Makeda and the Express Band to lively up our weekend this morning since we've been talking about so much storm stuff. Makeda!
And the Express Band, the man them wanted makeup this morning. You should have seen them in the
Oh,
makeup.
stop it! Don't tell people
Yeah,
that.
man, them
Go
come
on,
in
y'all,
there
guys.
full force. We can't get some makeup. We can't get some
That
makeup.
is not true.
Especially the
Makeda,
drummer.
defend your friend them,
Especially the
y'all.
drummer. Can you get some makeup? Touch me up now. Touch me up. You know, I'm going to feel shy.
Jeez.
Chris.
Good morning, Makeda.
When